Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study engineering. First, clearly define your engineering discipline, like mechanical or electrical, and set specific learning goals. Next, build a strong foundation by mastering essential math, including calculus and physics principles. Leverage the vast resources of free online courses and digital textbooks to create a structured learning path for yourself. Once you have the basics, dive deeper into core engineering subjects. Actively engage with practical problems and exercises to solidify your understanding. It's crucial to learn relevant software tools, like CAD for design or simulation programs for analysis. Also, join online forums and communities to discuss complex concepts and get answers to your questions from experienced individuals. Now, it's time to apply what you've learned through hands-on projects. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually increase their complexity. This practical application is vital for developing problem-solving skills. Additionally, explore advanced topics within your chosen specialization to deepen your expertise. Remember to document your entire learning journey and project outcomes for future reference. Finally, connect with the broader engineering community. Network with other self-learners and industry professionals through online platforms or local meetups. Consider pursuing certifications or contributing to open-source projects to validate your skills and build a portfolio. This continuous engagement and practical application will significantly enhance your self-study journey. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.